15 mind-blowing facts that will change how you see the world. Intro. What if everything you thought you knew about our world was only a tiny piece of a much larger puzzle? Right now, beneath your feet, above your head, and even inside your own body, incredible mysteries are unfolding every second. Scientists have spent centuries trying to understand our universe, yet with every discovery comes an even bigger question. Some of these facts sound like science fiction, but every one of them is real. By the end of this video, you'll see our planet, our universe, and even yourself in a completely different way. Let's begin. Fact number 1. There is more life beneath the Earth than you can imagine. When most people think about life on Earth, they picture forests filled with birds, oceans teeming with whales, or bustling cities packed with millions of people. But what if I told you that one of the largest ecosystems on Earth is completely invisible? Deep beneath the surface, sometimes more than 3 miles underground, scientists have discovered a hidden biosphere unlike anything they expected. This underground world is home to billions upon billions of microscopic organisms living inside cracks in ancient rocks. There is no sunlight, no plants, almost no oxygen, yet life thrives. Instead of feeding on sunlight like plants do, these organisms survive by consuming chemicals released from rocks that have remained untouched for millions of years. Some microbes are believed to be so old that they have barely changed since before dinosaurs ever walked the Earth. Together, this hidden ecosystem may weigh billions of tons. That means a huge portion of Earth's living organisms could actually be beneath our feet rather than on the surface. This incredible discovery has completely changed the way scientists think about life. If organisms can survive in such extreme conditions here on Earth, perhaps life could also exist beneath the frozen surface of Mars or inside the icy oceans of Jupiter's moon Europa. The greatest secret of our planet may be hidden in the darkness below us. Fact number 2, we have explored more of space than our own ocean. Every year, humanity builds more powerful telescopes. We've walked on the moon. We've photographed black holes. We've sent spacecraft beyond the edge of our solar system. Yet the greatest unexplored world isn't in space. It's right here on Earth. The ocean covers more than 70% of our planet. Yet scientists estimate that less than 1/3 of the seafloor has been mapped in high detail. Imagine owning a giant mansion where you've only entered a few rooms. That's how little we know about our own oceans. The deepest place on Earth, the Mariana Trench, reaches nearly 7 miles below the surface. At that depth, the pressure is over 1,000 times greater than at sea level. It is powerful enough to crush most submarines like empty soda cans, yet creatures still live there. Scientists continue discovering animals that glow in complete darkness, fish with transparent heads, and species unlike anything ever imagined. Every deep-sea expedition reveals life that has never been seen before. Some experts believe millions of marine species are still waiting to be discovered. The ocean is not just Earth's largest habitat, it is Earth's last great frontier. Fact number 3, Earth is slowly changing the length of a day. A day feels constant, 24 hours, always. But that's only true right now. Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down. The reason is the moon. As the moon orbits Earth, its gravity pulls on our oceans, creating tides. Those tides act like tiny brakes, slowing Earth's spin by a fraction of a second over long periods of time. The change is so small that no one notices it during a lifetime. But over millions of years, the effect becomes dramatic. Fact number 4. Lightning is hotter than the surface of the sun. Lightning lasts for only a fraction of a second. Most people barely notice it before it's gone. But during that tiny instant, something extraordinary happens. The air around a lightning bolt is heated to nearly 30,000 degrees Celsius. That's about 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The heat is so intense that it causes the surrounding air to expand explosively. That explosion creates the sound we know as thunder. Every second, Around 100 lightning bolts strike somewhere on Earth. Some strikes hit mountains. Others hit forests, oceans, or cities. A single bolt can contain hundreds of millions of volts of electricity. Yet despite centuries of research, scientists still don't fully understand every process that creates lightning inside storm clouds. Even one of nature's most common events still hides secrets. The next time you watch a thunderstorm, remember, for a split second, a piece of the sky becomes hotter than the sun itself. Fact number 5. There are giant hidden worlds inside our plane. Most people imagine Earth's interior as layers of rock surrounding a molten core, but scientists have discovered something unexpected. Deep inside Earth's mantle are two enormous regions unlike anything else on the planet. One lies beneath Africa, the other beneath the Pacific Ocean. Each is thousands of kilometers wide. These mysterious structures are so massive they are larger than entire continents. Scientists discovered them because earthquake waves slow down dramatically when passing through these regions. No one knows exactly what they are. Some researchers believe they are ancient pieces of Earth that formed billions of years ago. Others think they could be the remains of enormous tectonic plates that slowly sank deep into the planet over hundreds of millions of years. Some even suggest they are leftovers from a violent collision that helped create the moon. Despite decades of research, no one has reached them. No human ever will. They remain hidden nearly 3,000 kilometers beneath our feet. Even today, our own planet continues to guard some of its greatest mysteries.